Students, this is question number 17. Let me draw the triangle. So you have a triangle like this, and this triangle is split into two exactly in this fashion, and you have a 90-degree here. So A, B, C, and these two sides are equal, and this is 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, naturally this will also be 90 degree. Now this is the statement. In triangle ABC, AC is equal to AB. That's exactly what is shown there. And then D is the point on BC. So this point is D. Now AD is perpendicular to BC. We are asked to complete the following statement. What is the statement? AD is perpendicular to BC, so the angle at D, right? So I'm going to write it like this. So angle ADC is equal to angle ADB. This is the solution, which will be equal to 90 degree. So that's statement 1. And the next statement is AC is equal to AB. It's given in the information. Okay, this is given. So this means the two sides are equal. Okay, so we have the first criteria, the second criteria. I will tell you what exactly I am trying to aim at. And then what we have to do is number 3. Also AD is the common side to triangle ADB and triangle ADC. So this means by RHS. Now what do you mean by RHS criterion? It's called as a right angle hypotenuse, and then one side. That is the meaning. That means we have the right angle of triangle 1 and triangle 2, right? We got a right angle for them. And then the hypotenuse side, AB is same as AC. That's the second criteria, second condition being satisfied. And then you got a one side that's common to them. So by this criteria, we conclude. Okay, so we conclude. So what is the conclusion? We conclude that triangle ACD is congruent to triangle ABD. So what are the solutions, or what are the answers this question has provided with? This is the first point. This is the second point, two sides are equal, and this is the third point. Also AD is the common side. So all of these leads us to this criteria, RHS criteria. And by this criteria, I can say the two triangles ACD and ABD are congruent. So that is exactly what the question wants.